Hello, this is Darin Martineau, and in this video I'm going to talk about my new product I'm excited to share with you. It's called Self-Working Card Magic Stunners Volume 1. Now, I've been putting out products for many years. I've got over 327 products currently, over 100 magic books. You can click on the link and see my incredible line of products. But I think people have missed a lot of points that I put out, a lot of things, but this is definitely one of them. I've collected many of the very best. I mean, get ready to fool not only laymen, but magicians and anybody. This is very, very strong magic, okay? You're going to learn over 400 amazing self working card miracles and new card magic routines as well, as also many easy sleights are taught on here. I teach a four-way force A-can. I teach four aces A-can to pocket, something I call the sweet trick. Um, Tarbell silks and aces transposition. I teach the ultimate match. I teach incredible, uh, easy card sleights as well, like best false cuts, easy false shuffles, an advanced false shuffle on here that I learned from my mentor Allan Ackerman as well. Many incredible card forces and switches. Box card force switch 1, box card force switch 2, Hornswoggled Force by Carl Fulves. I teach many 3 different hanky forces. I teach a new variation that I've created of the hanky force number 2, which is a variation of a Nate Leipzig force that I've made better, improved. One of my favorite forces, the behind the back force. I use it in my weighing the aces, but these are universal applications. So get ready to learn the principles of self-working card magic so you can take these principles and create your own card magic. I teach many things on here as well, some of the other highlights. I teach the rising card, 5 ungaffed methods, 2 informational glimpses that may be used with any mentalism or mental card magic effects, the Da Vinci Code Aces, the Perfect Prediction by Chester Morris, um, the Birthday Trick by Jack Avis, something I call Vice's Mentalism, um, the James Miracle by Stuart James. I have a new effect called the Dollar Bill Serial Numbers Prediction, which has got a lot of universal application in here. An incredible super visual effect, card through hanky and deck through hanky. I will make demos of most all of these. I have several demos on here, but I have so much material. I'm constantly creating magic. I'm a prolific magic creator. Um, I also teach on here the double lazy man's card trick, which is Simon Aronson powerhouse effect. Easy for aces production, which is from Ed Marlowe. Something called An Effect, which is from my mentor Allan Ackerman with new variation on that. Um, my original linking cards with the torn restored card thing with that. Um, a lot of this is impromptu miracles. A Four Aces gambling themed routine by Al Leach. Um, Never Say Die by Ken Krenzel. Bigger Little Club by Larry Becker. An original effect I call Gambler versus Magician versus Mentalist. Flighty Aces by Lou Brent, which you can watch a demo of on here. The Houdini card, which is my variation of a Charles T. Jordan effect. It's a selected card. Instead of to pocket, it's a selected card to spectator's pocket, which is very powerful. The Matching Miracle, which is a closing effect, and much, much, much more. Too many to mention. I include 2 bonus magic ebooks, 202 Methods of Forcing ebook by Ted Anman, and Scarney on Cards, which is a book by John Scarney. It has 155 self-working card miracles from many world-class master magicians. So get ready to fool laymen and magicians with this incredible collection of self-working card stunners, Volume 1. And thank you very much.